guys, it's Jaya, aka That's So Jaya, and today we are going to wax ourselves from home. So let me just put this out here. I am not a licensed esthetician. So I learned literally from Google, YouTube. I do get professionally waxed, so I learned from just watching them. My friend is a licensed esthetician, so like I asked her some questions and she's also waxed me, and I would just watch how she did it and did it on like another friend. So yes, that is like how I learned. But I wanted to do this video because I wanted to show you guys that you can do it at home. There are like there's a clean way to do it. There is a wrong way to do it. So I'm gonna try to throw in as much tips that I can from professional estheticians that they've told me on like how to not like basically burn yourself and hurt yourself and do it. But I will also say, so if this is your first time waxing yourself, like try it on small areas. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing like underarms, like other little chin hairs, like just little body hairs that I get. I'm a very hairy person. Like I'm just going to put that out there. And honestly, for me to just get everything waxed that I would typically shave would cost me like at least $150 by the time I'm done at the wax salon. So that's pretty much what motivated me to invest in a wax pot and getting wax beads. So that is why. But yes, so if this is your first time, like start on a small area. Do not, buy a wax pot and then as soon as you get it, you start ripping and doing a Brazilian on yourself. Like, no, I do not recommend that. Like, do not do that. Start small. But all right, so we're gonna get into it. Everything that I'm gonna use today I got from Amazon. So these are very inexpensive items that I'm using. So these are the wax beads. I literally just got these today. I was jumping up and down when I got these because I was like, I can't take it no more. Like, I need to wax. So these are pretty much just hard wax beads. You can just type this in on Amazon. Like I said, everything that I'm going to use today, I'm going to put the link to that item in the description box below, so that way you guys can directly buy it. But yeah, so these are the hard wax beads, and that's pretty much it. They come with the little applicators. The applicators to me remind me of like little popsicle sticks. But yes, when you guys get your wax beads, make sure you get the kind that come with the sticks, because that way it's just easier. You don't want to try to use things in your house to spread. Like, just get the sticks. Like, this is what a lot of the professionals use. So yeah. All right, and my wax pots. This is my handy dandy baby. The brand is the Wokar, and it's the professional wax pot, and I love it. It works like a gem. It was literally like maybe like $22 or something. It's not expensive. It's a good investment because, like I said, it's easy. You can use it at home. You don't have to be a professional. It's very beginner friendly. And yeah, so we're gonna just hop right into the video. I just wanted to give you guys, a little background, and let's get started.
Okay guys, so excuse my dirty wax pot. I've had this pot for almost a year now, and I was very messy with it when I really didn't know what I was doing. But as you can see, you turn it on and you put it on the highest heat because we want to melt our beads. The light is on. When the light is bright, that's how you know that it's on. It's empty right now, but as you can see, I have a lot of old wax there from So right now I'm pouring my wax beads in the pot, and I'm just going to wait for it to melt. So this is what they look like before they're melted. All right, so my wax has fully melted. Right now, as you guys can see, it's a little watery. So you want it to melt fully, and then you're just going to turn your wax pot off to just cool it down, because we want it to have the consistence kind of like honey. That's like what they always say. So when it's too watery, you know it's not.
Y'all see the before. Let me fix my camera. So y'all see this? We got a lot to work with. Like, this is not cute, but we gonna get it off, and it's gonna stay off for a while. So yep, we're gonna try to get all of this off. The first strip is definitely gonna hurt a lot, but I don't know, this wax hasn't been hurting that much. It's pretty soft, so we're gonna just jump right into it. So let's get into it.
All right, so you see my wax is a lot thicker now, and what we're going to do is you want to spread it in the direction that the hair is growing. So mind you guys, I am doing my left armpit and I'm left-handed, so it's a little sloppy, but I'm just spreading it down, smoothing it. It's a little sloppy, I'm gonna repeat. And yeah, I'm just pretty much spreading it down, trying to just get a full covering of my entire armpit. So I like to do big chunks at one time. Like I said, I would definitely not wear a shirt doing this, but for the sake of the video, you know, of course I had to wear a tank top, so I did get a little bit of wax on my tank top, but it's all right. It definitely just peels right off. So I'm just going to continue smoothing it down until I get a nice thick coat over it. And like I said, I'm doing it in the direction that the hair is growing. And now my armpit is fully covered. And I made a little lip. So when you spread it, go all the way to the end, you make a little curve. So that way when it's time to pick up, it's very easy. And you make sure you stop where there's no hair. You don't want to try to pick up where there's hair, because I promise you guys that's going to hurt. All right, this wax actually cooled off really quickly. Like literally as soon as I spread the wax, it was like hardened already. All right, I'm saying a little prayer in my head because I know it's gonna hurt pretty bad, but right. Oh, there we go. Immediately apply pressure, because guys, that definitely soothes the pain. I was being a little dramatic here, but it didn't hurt too bad, but you definitely feel it. Definitely feel it a lot. And then you just kind of pat, and it's pretty gross, but I'm going to show you guys all the little hairs. When you see the little white tips at the end of your armpit, that's when you know you've really ripped all the hairs out. So I'm just showing you guys my results on camera, because I don't know, I like to see when I have all those little hairs in the wax, it makes me feel like I definitely did something. And you can see that I still have a little bit left to go, but we're just gonna keep going. Smooth, very thick. I apply a big glunk. Smoothing it down. All right, I'm gonna let you guys just watch.
Okay guys, after I'm finished, I love the results. I got a little bit of wax on my tank top, but like I said, for the sake of this video, I had to wear a shirt, but typically I would not wear a shirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just using like the witch hazel, like aloe vera, and I just dabbed a little bit on a tissue. If you have cotton swabs or something, that'll work too. And I'm just gonna like kind of just dab it on there you know, clean it. I already did it off camera, but I'm just showing you guys, like, you know, so show y'all the after. Your girl is out here fresh, clean. Y'all see the results? Like, y'all can't even act like y'all don't see them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys, you know, have smooth waxed skin after this video.